thenk en là gì rồi ni tôm bánh ke thenk en tôm ha ăn kí mung pipo hay là ke ăn apong lok lo hay là ke ăn ke pong kep sausage kí mung aleng do ma ting ke rồi là pusa đâm si ăn kí mung ăn ke thor po hay là long pong ar lơi hả
làm nó
ni to ke nam pi long si do lo ya nam pi se tame la pu jo.
So now my brother have started the work. He's trying to put the rice inside the bamboo. As you can see here, he is doing so many hard works. Hard work pays off, we wish for. And that's my sister. They're done. And as you can see here, she is Romani doing nothing, only sitting. Chocolate book.
cho ta luôn nó nghe cho sao
So guys, after refreshment, they are all getting ready to go and get fireworks more. You're done. Say something.
What to say? Nothing to say. Thank you for
nó này em sẽ tam bộ
watching.
lo đang rồi xì rồi biar pantu thế này em xì nó này chụp tết chung tết nó này em chụp chụp em sẽ có bao rồi đó cái xì lo rồi hả
Each and everyone. Hi. This one is my auntie.
Ơi đây cái này rung plak ya kali ingkrang liu ma.
Lagi heroine. Heroine deh lagi.
Ke rung plak. Ini nai rung plak lo.
This one is my auntie taking Rosalie. Rosalie from jungle.
Jungle tha.
Did you?
Kau dak pun siwan po you hatu madit pen. So big jungle.
So after refreshment, we have cleaned all the leaves. We have cleaned all the dirt in here where we cook. We took a bit of bamboo shoot. And now we are ready to go. Mommy, one pole. Now we are on our way to go home. Just a second, let me take this. So now we are heading to our home. Our work is done. Here is my sister, and the one is my mother. The one, she is the bride, but she herself came to take the firewood itself. And this is my brother. This is my brother. And after that, this is my auntie taking Rosalie leaves from the jungle. And this is also my aunt. And this is my sister.
Mother from another mother, and we are cousin.
Yes, it's true. Oh, Romani, round it out.
Plastic.
Wait!
Carrying firewood with.
I need to run because I can't reach them. This is my auntie taking firewood for her own, and wait for a second. I'll show you some other too. This is my aunt. They are all my aunts. Now we are heading to home. Now we are all heading to home. So my brother brought a flower, as you can see.
Này nggak apa kita mah. Itu ketarik pinang mati. Nanti kita kelong kita sila ya. Habis kelong. Nah, organik lah. Cuming lah.
Organic flower for my sister-in-law, and then I have climbed a bit, so